Hello everyone! For this video, we will learn how to cook crispy crablets. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. The first thing we have to do is to get rid of the shell and abdomen of the crablets. When it is done, add some salt and pepper. Then add some vinegar. And garlic powder. Crack an egg and add it to the crablets. I used 2 eggs in total. Prepare a flour and add some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. When it is ready, coat the crablets with flour. In a pan, deep fry the crablets for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to cook each side. While waiting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And when it is already cooked, drain it in a strainer to remove excess oil. Tada! We already have crispy crablets. Serve it and enjoy!